Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed our present tense and past tense. Now we discuss our last part, that is future tense. Okay? That is future tense. Future tense part 1, that is simple future. Simple future tense. Okay? What is simple future tense? What is simple future? The tenses of the sentence of this tense. The sentence of this tense express such actions. Express such actions. Actions which are which are to occur in future time. Which are to occur in future time. Clear? So what is simple future tense? This is the sentence of this tense express such actions which are to occur in future time. Okay? Means which tell us about the future. Okay? Future tense means which tell us about the future. Actions related to future, events related to future, means completely which is related to future. Clear? So this is our future tense, future time, which tell us about the future time. Clear? So there are three structures, same way: subject plus will, shall plus verb first form and rest of the sentence. So this is called affirmative. This is our affirmative sentence. Next, subject plus will, shall plus not plus verb first form. This is our negative sentence. And next is interrogative, that is will plus subject. In interrogative sentence we use will, shall. Sorry, don't write here will, shall plus subject plus verb first form and then plus a question. Okay? So this is our interrogative. So clear? This also divided into three structures. In this we use will, shall plus verb first form. Remember, with will, shall we always use our verb first form. Don't be confused about forms of verb. In this we use verb first form. Clear? So I think this is, you all understand. So write down the example of all three. I will, I shall. Example, write down. I shall go to Mumbai. I shall go to Mumbai with you tomorrow. Clear? Next, write down example of negative. He will not help me. He will not help you. Clear? In the last example, will you write a letter to your mother today? Will you write a letter to your mother today? So this is our affirmative This is part 1 of future tense. Clear? So this is our affirmative and this is our negative and this is our interrogative. So this way we use structure in proper manner. So these are the 3 examples of 3 structures: affirmative, negative and interrogative. Clear? Simple future tense is clear or not? Now write down the indicators of simple future tense also. That is very important, because with the help of indicators we can solve everything properly. So write down indicators: tomorrow, tomorrow, next week, next week, next month, next day, next day, next year, next year, a few days, never, never, always, etc. Never, always, etc. Clear? So these are the few indicators which we use in simple future tense: tomorrow, next week, next month, next day, next year, a few days, never and always, etc. Clear? Means this never and always we use in simple present tense also. I think you all remember, but this we use it for future purpose. Okay, this never and always we all use for future purpose. Clear? So these are the indicators of simple future tense. So write down the example of this indicators. I will return your book tomorrow. So tomorrow we use here tomorrow. So tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is indicator of future tense, simple future. Clear? I will see you in the court. I will see you in the court next week. I will see you in the court next week. So next week is what? Next week is also indicator. Clear? So I will return your book tomorrow. This is also indicator. I will see you in the court next week. This is also indicator. So this way we use simple future tense indicators. Clear? So here our simple future is completed. Okay. You will go to Mumbai next month. Okay. So this is also one more indicator of simple future tense. Clear? So this way we use indicators. Means indicators का मतलब है, if these type of indicators come in a sentence, so you all remember one thing, that we use will or shall with the help of verb first form with the help of these indicators. Means for these indicators we use will or shall. Okay. So remember this thing and then you fill exercise. So try to fill simple future exercise also in your book self. Okay. So for today this is sufficient. In next class we will discuss next parts of the future tense. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.